Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use Magic Write in Canva. And here's how it's done. Log into your Canva account. Go to the Docs section or search for Docs in the Canva search bar. Click on the plus button to create a new document. In the document editor, locate the Magic Write icon, a wen or sparkles icon. Alternatively, type slash in the document to bring up a list of commands and select Magic Write. Write a clear and concise prompt in the text box. For example, write a caption. Hello and welcome to our channel. To use magic writing, click the icon, a wand or sparkles icon, and there you will see different options you prefer to do to your documents. For this example, we choose to rewrite our tagline. Just click Generate to let Magic Write create content based on your prompt. Review the generated text. You can tweak or regenerate it if needed. That is everything you need to know about how to use Magic Write in Canva. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.